Getting ready to leave this campground, getting everything put away. You know, all the stuff I drug out, I'm putting it all back up. Just about got it buttoned up, ready to go. Got a few more things I need to put away. Then we're going to be hitting the road. Not going real far, we're just going the next town over. Still working on my buttoning up loose ends before I actually leave the state. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Probably well, no, I just play by ear. I got an idea where I might be going. I don't know this yet. I've changed plans 15 times already, so yeah, let me get this finished. I'm already, my mind's already starting to wander around, so let me get this finished. We'll go on the road and I'll get back on here with you. Well, I got to my campsite number 2, and it's so hot today. I got spoiled by being in an RV park. Air conditioner, electricity, it really spoiled me. It's gonna take me a little bit to get back in the swing of it, but I'm at campsite number 2. Now this is nothing glamorous. I just staying here for the night. I'm gonna be in this town, taking care of a few things, a little bit of business. And yeah, then I'm out of here on this particular spot anyway. I'm standing behind my little camper because it's the only shade that I have right now. I'm right out in the middle of a gravel lot. This is I gotta get out of the sun. It's hot today. I've got all the windows open, the roof's been open, the door open. Finally getting to use my little bug screen that goes over your door. Bought a thing, I don't even remember what, last summer maybe, something like that. Finally got to use it. Works great. Last night there was mosquitoes and flies flying around and it kept them out, so it did a good job. But yeah, had to create my own shade, so I'm back here behind the camper here. I could get my generator out and run my AC, but I'm just not going to get in that habit of doing that because I don't know, I'm kind of weird on stuff like that. It's only really hot. Heat really don't bother me. It just seems so hot to me right now because I've been laid up in the air conditioner for the past couple months and just kind of got spoiled. So it'll take me a little bit to get used to it again, but you know, I will. But yeah, let me turn you around here, show you where I'm at. I'm at a awesome, great truck stop parking lot. Actually, the truck stop's over, well, that's just a sign, but the truck stop's right over there. This is like a spillover lot. There's a truck stop, but this is an old dusty gravel spillover lot where at nighttime it fills up. Old truckers trying to get a place to take a nap, you know, they come over here. So I've come over here to just be out of the way, not be on that hot concrete over there. And yeah, right by the interstate. You already see that big semi, he's getting on the interstate. Then you got this main highway. So it's not the most, it ain't the most ideal, quiet place to be trying to sleep at night. But like I said, I'm just gonna be here one night, so it's not no big deal. Besides, I sleep better with a lot of traffic noise anyway. You know, spent my whole life driving them old trucks and just got used to it. You know, I'm actually more comfortable with a little noise. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get off here, kind of sit in the shade, be lazy, relax. Maybe later on this afternoon I'll see some deer. I do got a field on this side of me. I can turn around and look this direction. Maybe I won't feel like I'm right in town. Either way, I'm gonna get off here. I'll be back a little later, maybe tomorrow morning. I just want to show you real quick. You know, I kept mentioning my little bug screen for the door. This is one of them as seen on TV. You know, y'all know I'm an as seen on TV nut. I like all that stuff. But it's one of them that's magnet, you know. You walk through it and it hooks back by itself. I don't know if you saw that, but there was a big horsefly been trying to get in here. He keeps coming up to it and can't get in. But yeah, this thing works good. It's like it's a little bit too long for me. Whenever I come in, I gotta adjust it down here at the bottom. Make sure there's not no little holes where they can get in. I gave $20 for it, $19.99. I don't know what they're selling for now. Probably more than likely the same price. but I think it's worth it. I mean, it's I've sat here and watched it keep flies and stuff out, so yeah. And you can leave your door open, get a nice breeze in here, which I know most RVs and campers have a screen door. I took mine off for the simple fact that it was aluminum frame and it was getting, I don't know what you'd call it, getting kind of sloppy, you know, loose on the corners, and it just never shut right, never fit good. So I just went ahead and took it off. But yeah, anyway, jump over real quick, show you this. This thing's working awesome. No, I really like it. Well, it's another day. This has actually been over the course of 2 days, I think, something like that. I know there's a glare behind me. I've got my little towel down because I've got the windows open, letting air come through. But I think I'm going to end this one right here because I've got somewhat some service. So I'm going to try to get it uploaded. And again, I don't know when I'll get the next one up here. It's just based on when I have service and when I don't. So I've got okay service here, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this one up before I leave the spot. And then first chance I get, I'll get back on here. But I just want to say hello to all my friends, subscribers, family. Appreciate all of you watching and tagging along with me. I've got just a few more things to do. I'm trying to get that glare off. I'm not quite heading north yet. Still got a day or two. Waiting on a package, and got one more thing I need to take care of. But yeah, I'd say by the end of the week. Probably I've had to extend it a little bit because I'm waiting on a package, like I said. So it'd probably be more towards the end of the week before I actually take off. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna get off here, and first chance I get, I'll try to get you another video up. Till I see you again. God bless you.